Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we about to do a little quick vlog, real quick, show you how to fit pit holes in your candles. How to fix pit holes in your candles. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so after further investigation, I have two, as you can see. Now, what causes a pit hole is sometimes the wax can be poured too fast. We didn't let it cool. But this is a simple fix. So how I fix them are, I take a food skew, and what I do is I just press holes around the affected area. All right, so we got a little pit there. We're gonna do the same thing here. We're just gonna press a couple holes inside of her. Now, if you're wondering what the holes are for, the holes are mainly because when you sit there, before I cut these wicks, it's not a pit hole, but you can see one coming. So let me go ahead and get all of this taken care of real quick, as you can see that. Yeah, we're gonna do this pit hole here. All right, any more? Yeah, let's go ahead and knock this out too. If you notice, most of it's by the wick, but we just want to take and make sure that with these pit holes, make sure we don't have no more. As you can see, we have we have four with pit holes, right? We're gonna take our trusty heat gun. We're gonna fire it up, and we're just gonna take and go around the rim. So these are some of the vessels I got from Macy's. I love these Auroras. But what I'm talking about with the pit holes, you see that right there? I have a couple of these candles that are like that. So what we want to do is we want to fix that. Now, how do you fix a pit hole? We're about to show you. All right, so with that little DIY tip, that's how we get the candles ready when we find pit holes in them. If that was helpful to you, I hope that it was helpful. Let me say this. I hope that it was helpful to you. Do us a favor. Click the subscribe button, hit that bell notification. We got more tips that we're going to put out. We're talking fragrance. We're talking clear body sprays. Not the cloudy ones, but the clear ones. We're talking a whole lot of everything about candles, marketing, everything over here at Wicked Artistry Candle Co. All right, man. I'm going to see y'all when I see y'all, man. Peace.